In this tutorial video, we will be talking about how to import your exported lithography file into our Slicer program. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Slicer program. It will be found on your desktop. I'm going to go over to File. I'm going to go to Import, and I'm going to go to Import STL right there. And I'm going to look for my lithography file. STL is the lithography file option, and I'm going to click Open. Now it says some objects in the hinge plate file here looks like it's saved in inches. Should I consider them as saved in inches and convert them? So what that's talking about is I did not convert this to a metric file, and so I'm going to ask it to do it for me. And there it is. There's my object. And as you can see, I can turn it, look at it. I can move it depending on where I want to put it, but I'm just going to leave it in the center. And that's good. So now that it's imported, I have some options. So what we're going to do is we typically just do it on our quality right there. Then we have to select the material, the PLA. That's what we use. And then you have to select your printer. Now we only have two options. We have one printer that's an MK3. The rest of them are MK3S's or MK3 Pluses. So you have to select the printer you want to use. Now there's more things that you can do than that, but for now that's good enough. We will call that set up. All our options are good. So then I'm going to go down to the bottom right and slice now. So it now went and created all the different layers. As we move this down, you can see object gets shorter as it goes through the different layers. Let's roll into that a little bit better so you can see it. So I have that type of an internal grid in mind because it's hollow and it's showing you all the different layers, and then it's going to put the surface on it. There we go. So that is how you bring your stereolithography file into the Slicer program, set up the proper options, and then slice the file.